So yeah, a new dust shroud for my Pantorouter. It was supposed to be a super simple project, but somehow it took me 6 months to build and another 6 months to edit. I wanted a new one because the old one was just always in the way as I was changing router bits, and it was just really annoying. To make the new one, I made use of the laser cutter at school, and I let my friends hold the camera for me, and a lot of things happened.
What's up guys, it's your boy Eric Ron with another vlog. Today we are in the D&T wing in Golonga International High School looking at Stephen Jane creating his magnificent woodwork. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more content. We are giving a gift card giveaway in the description. All you have to do is say what you liked about the video and you'll be in the draw. You have to subscribe and like all the videos.
I like all the videos.
If there are any dislikes on this video, we will charge $2 per view. I'm sorry.
Just wait for the next one to come up. So those all seem to be there. Those are up there, those two up there. And that seems right.
Yeah, to the right.
Good.
Okay.
Year 9, previous ones, someone's told me about how you this video and start something on fire. I'm not sure what else to do.
It's on the circle. I guess it's just a button. Oh, nice, it's done.
What's it actually for?
Huh? It's for the Pantorouter dust shroud. Nice.
That's nice and better. It's an ankle for a reason.
What is this for?
We just hold it.
Like that. And then that, by spinning that, encapsulates that.
The shroud always does. The extraction system.
The what?
The shroud always
It's
does.
for the Pantorouter.
The what? The Pantorouter.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
It's a machine.
So it
It
pulls all
uses-
the wood plastic stuff.
Huh?
And get all the paper.
Oh yeah. Oh, these are waste. Help me with these then. Gonna keep filming, I guess. Yeah, that one was fun.
You know what? When I finish school, I'm gonna build a lathe.
Really?
Yeah, I really want to. Like the worst camera forever.
No, you can just zoom in without, pointing it at me. And stop zooming in. I have a feeling you're zooming in. I can see you're zooming in, okay?
Alright, how do you get this off?
I'll give you a start. It's really hard.
Yeah, it is.
Like, start from corner. Yep. I don't have any fingernails left because I play piano.
And neither because I cut them this morning.
Yeah.
Nice.
There we go.
Yeah, I think it did the trick. Yeah, thank you very much.
Do you get on it?
Yeah.
Like, how much is it for the material?
For you, Stephen?
Huh?
$75.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Okay, yeah, I'll
Or-
have to
Handmade watch.
Right.
Before you leave.
Okay, I'll try. It's gonna be tough because I can't find time.
Did the bell go?
Well, yeah, this is still 5 minutes.
Oh, is that enough recording?
It's up to you, like,
No, record the whole thing.
because
He's got more to work with.
it's just more what's it called? Personal engagement.
What for? Physics?
Pass.
Oh, cast.
Oh no, I don't even think I'm gonna log this for cast. Like, it's so little.
Just pretend that you did a lot.
Yeah, I can't be bothered like writing a reflection. I already got like a sliding table. Yeah. Actually,
Shall we film you running around this place?
For activity hours.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, actually get some good camera angles in, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can make a montage.
Yeah.
As far as camera angles go, some were just too majestic to be included in this video. Now back at home, I glued the layers together using some Weld Bond glue. As I have to carve out a channel on a smaller piece to glue in the bristles as a dust shroud, I am putting on some tape on the surface to prevent glue squeeze out when I do the glue up. And then I got a really cheap but big brush and slaughtered it for its bristles. I ended up using 1.5 of these brushes as one of them wasn't enough. Now I can finally test out the new dust shroud by removing the old one. The dust shroud simply fits on by turning it, which locks it in place. Although it is no longer transparent, but if I need to see it around a bit, I can simply remove it. And then once I'm done aligning, I can just put it back on. Now to test how effective it is, I think it is just as effective in making mortise cuts because the mortise itself helps to keep the dust in. For making tenons, I think it is slightly better than the old dust shroud because the bristles are much closer to each other now and so they keep the dust more contained. Well, then it does work fairly well. I'm actually quite surprised how long this video took to finish. This project started around January and it's now December. But at least I got it done. It's still not actually perfect yet, like 100%, because with certain router movements, it is possible to get the shroud to like unhinge by itself by just turning it the right way. I suppose the way to overcome this might be to actually insert a small metal tab into the hole there so that the shroud in the middle can't turn by itself and it's just locked in place, and then when I need to take the shroud out, I'll probably use a magnet to get the metal spacer out from the hole, and then the shroud can come out too. But that's not exactly toolless, so I'm still wondering how I should actually approach this. However, for now, I think friction is fine because there is quite a bit of friction. From the footage, you would also notice that some of the hair actually comes out as I test the shroud out for the first time. And I think that's normal because the glue doesn't stick to the bristles 100%, and so that would be expected. All in all, I'm very glad to be back. Just finished interviews yesterday. It was yesterday, right? Yes, it was yesterday. Yeah, I keep losing track of time when I'm on holidays. Finally, I had a lot of fun shooting this video with my friends and I hope you guys like it too. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.